Professor Dave here. Let's learn about the modal verbs.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
In Italian, there are certain verbs called verbi servili. They have this name because they actually serve the verb that follows them. We use these in English when we say things like, you have to sleep. To sleep is in the form of the infinitive, so it doesn't give any specifics about who is sleeping or when. But you can find that information easily in you have to. It is you that we are talking about, and the time is now, because you have is in the present tense. We could change the action to refer to the past by saying you had to, or the future by saying you will have to. In all cases, these words serve the verb to sleep. Let's look at the same sentence in Italian. Tu devi dormire. Devi is from the verb dovere. This represents the idea of necessity, as in I must or I have to. There is also potere, which represents the idea of ability, as in I am able to or I can. Lastly, there is volere, which represents the idea of will, as in I want to. These verbs are all highly irregular and must be memorized, so let's go through the forms for all three. For dovere, we get io devo, tu devi, lei deve, noi dobbiamo, voi dovete, loro devono. For potere, we get io posso, tu puoi, lui può, noi possiamo, voi potete, loro possono. And for volere, we get io voglio, tu vuoi, lei vuole, noi vogliamo, voi volete, loro vogliono. Some of these may seem strange, but you will get used to them through repetition. So let's try some examples. Io voglio uscire, ma non posso perché devo studiare. Notice that in this sentence, there are three ideas and two infinitives. The subject is clarified in io voglio, non posso, and devo, which are all in the present tense and first person singular, while the specific meaning of necessity, will, or ability is added by the infinitives they precede. Let's try a few more. Il dottore dice che io non posso fumare. Dovete riposare se volete fare bene all'esame. Puoi uscire, ma devi rientrare prima di mezzanotte. Makes sense, right? If so, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.